radio. Kdka.
Here they go.
Weather Bulletin. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for north central Greene County and southwestern Pennsylvania,
I got
south
goosebumps.
central Washington County and southwestern Pennsylvania until 3:15 p.m. At 2:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 11 miles south of Washington, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Houston, Mariana, Scenery Hill, and Amity. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Greene, and Washington.